Today we'll talk about light again because that's the most important things for your plants. Even if humidity for carnivorous plants is very important, low light won't help at all, you won't have any picture. So today we'll do an unboxing. I received a new light, I don't know, I will try to show you. So this is a strong one, like this is 100 watts, so it's quite strong. So I don't know exactly what I will use it for. I confess, I don't know if it will be too strong or the fact that it will be quite high above the plant. I will be able to have like a big area of lights and everybody will grow nicely. I don't know where I will set it up, but let's do the unboxing and then we'll figure out how to use it. You see, we will have the stand, we will have the whole online setup, the timing, the power, etc. So I already used the other one, the 60 watts upstairs on the windowsill. And the plants are doing great. So this one actually is, wow, bigger, way bigger. So I think the previous one was something like probably stopping here and probably here. So that was the previous one, probably something like that. And now we have way more LED lights. We'll see, we have, yeah, it's exactly the same, just bigger, stronger. We have the passive cooling system, too. And here, that's where you will plug the timer. They have a timer that you connect with an app, or without an app if you want. Pretty convenient. I will show that to you. So that's the plug, you plug that and then you can set up the light. I tend to like it because that's something I can set up with my phone. And upstairs I'm also using it, the smaller light, same. When it's starting, when it's turning off, how long it takes to be full power. At the beginning I put like half an hour to go very slowly, so that was really like the rising sun, but I turned that as short as possible lately because I want my hours of light, but I don't want the light to be on for too long, like probably 14 hours a day. So 14 hours a day is good enough. I don't want to add half an hour at the beginning, half an hour at the end. So, but yeah, everything is really easy to set up. You can change the color of the lights. For some of you guys are more expert than me about the wave of lights that will trigger growth or fruits or whatever. That's not what I do. I focus on carnivorous plants. That's it. And to have a pleasant light, obviously, because that's going to be in an area where I live, and I don't want pinkish lights on my windowsill or like cold white. That's not what I'm looking for. I want some warm white. Okay, so sorry. Yeah, it's exactly the same. We have the stand, we have everything. So I will set it up and then we will search for an area. So stay with me, I will build that quickly and we'll come back. Really quick, if you're new here, I explain everything about growing Nepenthes on a windowsill or in a grow tent. So if you love picture plants, make sure you subscribe. Let's go back to the video now. Okay, so it's installed on the stand, quite tall, and the light is quite strong, so I'm happy. Quickly, I want to show you the improvement compared to the previous light I got. Here, the way it's attached on the previous one was kind of complicated to fix. That was not easy at all. you can still attach this light, but they added that. And that's way more convenient. You just clip it here and then you attach your light. And it makes it so convenient to attach. Very nice. A very good improvement. Here you can connect this light, so I guess the same timer, using this cable to another light that you put on the side. So that's cool. What else? What did change? Yes, not a big deal, but now it's black, and before it was white. So again, not a lot of changes. The buttons are just the same. You can select Wi-Fi, the color of the light, the number of hours, whatever. So this will stay here, and I will put some plants under. And yeah, quite bright. And I think I know exactly what plants I need. And the color is nice also. I selected the warm white. So we will take the truncata. The truncata is hidden, buried under other plants. That's a pain. I don't see anything. Even the pictures are hidden. So it's overdue. I needed to repot that for a long time. I got the plant like 7 years ago, I believe. And it's just a bush here. Like I need to clean this and put it here. So that's going to be a big repot. And I will show you that. Okay, I managed to take the truncata out. I had to cut a lot of pictures just to be able to take it. But yeah, big leaves. The pot is bone dry. I needed to repot this one for a long time. New picture here. Here, this is the size of the picture. So I cannot show you the full picture because I don't have an arm that long. So what else? Yes, it was attached to this bamboo stick to try to maintain it because it definitely wants to crawl on the ground. I will soak it. This bone dry pot will be soaked into rainwater for probably a half an hour just to moisturizing the substrate, and I will use this pot. So this pot is way bigger than the previous one. Let me show you. So that's the pot right now, and as you see, it will have way more space for the roots, and even it's taller. So taller, larger, bigger. I've put 2 inches of pure perlite at the bottom, and the rest will be a mix of 50-50 perlite sphagnum. So I will show you the result. As expected, a lot of roots. It's been 7 years since it's inside this pot, so I put a lot of drainage, but still, the roots are packed. Clearly, the plant was trying to get more water. So now I'm repotting it. A layer of sphagnum, a layer of perlite, mixing together, and this new substrate will definitely retain more moisture and take more time to get bone dry. And now, after an hour of pain, here it is. I'm sure this plant will be great here. Way more light. And yeah, this new light will definitely help. And so those pictures were resting on something, so they are angled, but this new one will flip and go back to the regular state. And I will overfeed all those half-dying pictures, so the plants will be good. And I've put some osmocote in it. So yeah, we have the fertilizer, we have a brand new soil, more roots, more space for the roots, I mean, and I will clean this windowsill later. This one will probably be cut and rooted. And yeah, that was overdue, and I had some old truncata pictures cut from the leaves, so they will. I need to clean all this, but at least this brand new light will make this plant happier. So I can't wait to show you the result in probably a few weeks.